Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we are unboxing the BoxyLuxe for the month of December, and if you're interested to find out what's inside, then stay tuned. For those of you that are unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, it is a multi-tier beauty subscription service. This here is the BoxyLuxe, and this is $50 and it's offered every quarter. Inside you will find a card with this month's theme, and this month's theme is bubbles and glitz. On the back side of the card you will find a list of products along with their retail value and also a variation. And my variation code is a lot of letters and numbers, a little bit different this month, but we'll see what's inside. So right up on top I see a red satchel, and it is imprinted with Luxie, so these have to be brushes. It smells like paint. It smells like spray paint, to be specific. Just as a reminder, please make sure you wash and clean your brushes before you use them. The last thing you want is to have some allergic reaction while putting on your makeup. So this is the glitter and gold brush set, and this retails for $85. Okay, time for the big reveal. So, ooh, very Christmas blingy with that golden red to it. You get 3 face brushes and 5 eye brushes. Really nice. Luxie makes some really good quality brushes. They may want to rethink their pouch manufacturer. Woo, that's strong. But $85 for a set of brushes might be a little bit high, but as I said, quality is something that Luxie is known for. Next up, we have a palette from Hipdot, and this is the Cenote pressed eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $30. And by the looks of it, it is a green palette. Well, the outside packaging is a little deceiving. This is more of a blue color story than it is a green color story. I'm glad that they did include this row here, which is more neutrals, something that I could wear every day. I am trying to get more adventurous with my colors, but blue isn't necessarily something that I wear. So maybe trying it on the outer corner, on the lower lash line. I guess I need to be a little bit more bold, but I'll give it a try and see how it works out. So the next item I received is from Iconic London, and this is the Blaze Chaser Face Palette, and this retails for $55. So let's take a look at what's included. Okay, so there are 6 pans, and you'll see that there are a couple of bronzers, and one bronzer here, this one in the middle, looks like it has a little bit of a shimmer to it. You have 2 blushes and 2 highlighters. It's really nice. I really did like the one that I received in my premium box. The pans in that palette are much bigger, but this is really nice, and now I can compare the 2 palettes and see which one takes all. So the next item I received is from Sol de Janeiro, and this is the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter, and this retails for $20. And I did get one maybe a month or 2 ago in a BoxyCharm, and I like it. I keep it in my purse. It is super buttery on my lips and really moisturizing. Wow, this is a much nicer color than the one that I received. The original one I received was much lighter, but this one here is a deeper color, which I really like. So now I have 2, one that I can use when I need a little bit more tint to my lip, and the other one when I want it to look a little bit more natural. This is really nice. I'm happy I got this. The next item in the box is from Sunday Riley, and this is the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment, and this retails for $85. This is fantastic. I have purchased this product from either the pop-up store or from the add-on store. I love this. I cannot say enough about Sunday Riley products, and I will continue to buy them whether I get them from BoxyCharm or from them directly. I want to thank you, BoxyCharm, for introducing me to this brand, because all the products that I've tried so far, I love it. The next item is leaking. Oh no. Okay, this is a temple rub from the Lifestyle Company, and this is 100% natural calming temple rub, and it retails for $25. And yeah, it's leaking. It smells nice. Let's see what the, oh, a nice metal applicator. So here it has that little metal ball applicator, and this says it has scents of lavender. So you just rub this on your temples and rub the stress right away. But it smells nice. I just wish it didn't come already opened and leaking a little bit, but that's okay. So the next item is from Beaut, and this is the original Glam Smile Kit, and this retails for $89. I do recall this being one of the options as choice, and unfortunately I did not get in on time to make my choice, so they made the choice for me, and this is what I got. I don't know if I'll try this. I know sensitivity issues with teeth can be kind of a thing, so maybe I'll try it once and see if I like it, but with things like this, I kind of have to be a little bit careful. And the last item is from Avant, and this is their Intensive Redensifying Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer, and this retails for $123. This is 1.69 fluid ounces for $123. I have tried some Avant stuff in the past. It did not come from BoxyCharm. I think it came from Glossybox or another subscription service that I had, and I did like the product. I just think things like this, unless they really work well, that price tag is kind of important. So $123, I better see $123 worth of results in a 1.69 fluid ounce bottle. So we'll give it a try and see what happens. So here are all 8 products that I received in this month's BoxyLuxe, and if I was rating this box, I would give it a C+. The teeth whitening kit, the temple rub, and the Cenote palette, not too excited about using those. The Sunday Riley product along with the Sol de Janeiro and the Luxie brushes minus the pouch, I'm interested and excited to use those, but I don't know, I think we're getting into a little different territory with the lifestyle products. The Sunday Riley, Sol de Janeiro, and Luxie products are really the shining stars of this box. Let me know in the comments how you felt about the items in this box, and were you excited about a teeth whitening kit? I don't know really how I feel about that. But anyway, if you like this video, make sure that you click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until the next unboxing, I will see you next time. Bye everyone.